prescribed.
The Khasi Students' Union North Khasi Hills District, through its Employment and Monitoring Cell, met the Additional Deputy Commissioner and Member Secretary of the District Selection Committee, DSC. Chairman of the Employment and Monitoring Cell, Banjab Maring, stated that the meeting aimed to present 15 key issues to the DSC to enhance its operations. Maring emphasized the importance of ensuring a transparent recruitment process, highlighting concerns regarding unofficial appointees.
Sarkar bahkan Menteri kami ni kasam teli gimat kalong bah ke jingdon jong kita kinon official di bawan long bah ki political appointee di ke jingdon dikne bunsin ni bah nidon baik kata ke jingong bah karukum tungkam tungjam kamlong ke bukut ke basuba kenlang jing keseng kawe na kimat kalong bah ni dawa bah yakini ki jing tungkam bah kin besyu bandon da kita ki non official members mo bah kimdei bandon da kita ki political appointee bagian rung itu bandon bentalang. Kenang bagi niok ya kataga jing tungkam tungjam ke bukut buat ke basubah.